Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan pie crust from scratch. And the ingredients, they're all in the description below. For the pie crust, 1 cup of vegan butter, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Mix, 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 mix.
6 to 8 tablespoons of iced water. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine the flour, vegan butter, salt, water, and vanilla. Nine-inch pie dish. Press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie dish. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So let's leave the pie crust in the oven 8 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime, subscribe to Bunnie Cakes, share, and turn on the notification bell. Take it out from the oven. Careful, it's really hot. Delicious! This pie crust works with any filling. You can use it for apple, for pumpkin, or any filling you want. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.